The logistics landscape is fracturing under the weight of siloed robots. But what if a single platform could command them all? Welcome to the autonomous fleet revolution. Major industry players are shattering operational bottlenecks. Mobile industrial robots just transformed warehouse interoperability. With their new VDA 5050 adapter, Mir's fleet enterprise software seamlessly orchestrates up to 100 AMRs across entirely different vendors, effectively killing vendor lock-in.
As part of its automation strategy, Florisa has now automated its internal transportation of cages with fabric with 5 Mir 1000 robots via the Brazilian Mir distributor Bottlenecks. The Mir 1000 robots are equipped with a Mir lift to pick up, transport, and deliver cages with heavy payloads.
OMRON is pushing material handling further. Their newly launched OL450S omnidirectional AMR handles 450 kilograms, while their TMS series cobots redefine agility. Both are unified under OMRON's Flow Core, optimizing mixed fleets for unprecedented output in crowded spaces. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics is solving a massive bottleneck: scaling intelligence in unstructured environments. Their March 2026 partnership with Field AI brings foundation models to the Spot quadruped, allowing fleets to reason collectively. Furthermore, their upgraded Orbit software instantly replicates learned tasks across the new electric Atlas robots.
So, in normal operation, Atlas is fully autonomous on a job site, but today, Sarvesh, one of our FAEs, is piloting Atlas on the stage, giving it really simple instructions like forwards and backwards, just to keep things simple. This is Atlas's first time in public, and as you can see, its walk is pretty natural and pretty smooth. We've partnered with our sister organization, the Robotics and AI Institute, to push the limits on natural walking just for this performance. And I think we've done something really special.
This multi-agent coordination slashes deployment timelines, establishing highly autonomous supply chains without constant human oversight. Geographically, the Asia-Pacific region leads in volume. Backed by aggressive government subsidies, APAC is rapidly deploying AMRs to counter aging workforces. Conversely, North America is pioneering software resilience, heavily investing in AI integration to combat labor shortages and global shipping disruptions. Interoperability and AI are no longer optional, they are the new standard. B2B investors must prioritize standard-agnostic fleet platforms to de-risk capital expenditure. Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting, link in description. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more market intelligence.